If you're watching this, you probably got some handlebar grips that are being a pain in the butt to take off, and I have found an easy way to get them off besides cutting and ripping them off. First I start with this, which is the little tip off the end of a WD-40 can, or you could use the inside of a spray bottle, any kind of small tiny straw. I take this and slide it up in the grip. See if I can do this one-handed. Get it up in there. To get it up in there, sometimes you may have to do this, push the grip up, and then push it in. But push it in about halfway, and then just spit in it and blow it in there. Once you get some spit, some slobber, some KY, whatever, up there near the middle of the grip, pull that out. And then spin it. Get it good and worked in there. Okay, see, now we got this side moving pretty easy. Then go to the other side and do the same thing. Let's see. Let's go in this side. It's hard to do this with one hand. Okay, let me get this side. Got some on that side. Work it around. Now this grip will pull right off. If I can do it while holding the camera here. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see that, but there we go, we got it all worked in now. There you have it. Get the grip off without tearing it up, without making it all slimy with WD-40 or soap. Then you can do the same thing, put it on, just spit in it. Slide it on, and about 24 hours, spit will evaporate, it'll dry, and it'll be good to go. Just a little tip to get grips off.